Let's learn how to delete temporary files in Windows computer. Your computer makes temporary files automatically while using Windows programs such as internet browsers, editing software, etc. It's completely safe to delete temporary files from your computer. If you want to delete temporary files from Chrome browser, then open it. After opening it, point your cursor on the three dots on the top right and click it to open menu and scroll down to More Tools and click Clear Browsing Data. After click it, small window will pop up and select All Time from drop down on Advanced tab and then click Clear Data to delete temporary files from Chrome browser. If you are using Firefox, then let's open it and click breadcrumb menu and scroll down to Settings and click Privacy and Security, then scroll down and click Clear Data to delete cookies and site data. If you scroll further down, then you will find Clear History tab to delete browser temp files. Select everything from drop down and click OK to delete temporary files. If you are using Microsoft Edge, then let's open it. After opening it, point your cursor on the three dots on the top right and click it to open menu and scroll down to Settings and click to open it. After opening it, click Privacy, Search and Services on the right and click Choose What to Clear tab on main window. Select All Time from drop-down menu on pop-up window and select Clear Now. Now let's delete temporary files from Windows. Go to search bar and type %tmp% and click %tmp% folder to open it. A new window will open with temporary files. To select all temporary files, click Ctrl+A and right-click and select Delete to clear files. If some programs are open, then some temporary files may not delete. Another easiest method to delete temporary files can be done with the help of Disk Cleanup utility. Please type Disk Cleanup to access Disk Cleanup utility and open it from the above list. After opening it, click OK to delete temporary files. Now let's delete temporary files from Recycle Bin. Point cursor to Recycle icon and right-click the icon and select Empty Recycle Bin to delete temporary files. Hope you liked this tutorial. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe this channel.